The new Actros has around about of 60 new innovations based, we say, on our 4 columns. One of them is efficiency, the other one is safety, the next one is comfort, and the last one is connectivity. In order to fulfill this, we have a lot of new technical and interesting things and products in the truck, like the active drive assist, like the active brake assist, like the mirror cam, and also very important, we have 2 big displays in the truck, and with the displays we can connect the truck with, let me say, the outside of the truck, and this is very important for a successful business of our customers. The benefit is that we can increase or improve the safety, and as well we can improve the comfort for the driver. Because in some stressful situations the driver can, let me say, rely or can count on the active drive assist, and this is a big advantage for the safety and as well for the comfort of the driver, and as well for the other participants of the traffic. It's much more than a design element, because we have 2 important things that we have introduced or launched this new product. This is very important for efficiency and as well for safety. With regard to efficiency, we have improved the aerodynamic, and this has a positive impact of the fuel consumption of the truck. And with regard to safety, there's a much better overview from the truck driver to the traffic. And in very specific situations, it's a huge advantage for the truck driver. And with this, we can improve the safety of the truck and as well of the environment.